Hey, how you doing? It's been a while, hasn't it? Just trying to fix this audio. Should be it. There we go. I think that's the audio level working. Yeah, pretty good. First day back to work today. And then I thought I'd fancy doing a bit of streaming today. Oh, did you? Well, I usually do hang out there quite a bit, so I wouldn't be surprised. Which channel? Yeah, I was probably in there. Muse. There we go. Right, let's start making a charu. This one, this one. Okay, how much disk space have I got before I start this? Plenty. Right. Kernel 2.6. This one, yes and no. I have done a bit of work on this before, but I never read it up, so it's about time that I actually put the notes I've got into actual into some documentation. So I've done the basics starting point because it's boring and just tells you what the guide is. So I'm hoping this is going to be quite a simple thing to write up, but you know how it goes. Oh, I've got loads of stuff in there. What have I got? Hang on, we'll let this download and I'll go back and look. I've been playing a lot with LTO stuff. I've actually got a laptop that's using muscle and link time optimization just to see how many things I can break. And Christ, does LTO break a lot of stuff. Right, let's go back one. What have we got there? Yeah, it brings out loads of strange bugs. The main one I'm dealing with at the moment is on crossdev. It takes some information from the host system and yeah, globally using. I mean, I've got quite a lot in there. Yeah, it can do. It's getting better though. I mean, I had an issue page with about 6 or 7 things on it. Now it's down to 1, so things are getting fixed. Oh, you mean the Gentoo LTO community? their fixes are a bit strange. I'm trying to make it work on the main tree instead. Probably about 95% of, probably even higher than that, probably about 98% of everything works on my system. Alright, so that's that. I now need to steal a part of the document. Right, so Gentoo handbook. I'll just borrow from here. Why re-rent the wheel when you can just copy and paste? Probably better to do that. Doesn't matter. There we go. Mounting the necessary files. Hmm. Come on, I just wanted to copy and paste it. GCC works. What files have you got that you're having trouble with? Not the required. What do they call it? Okay. Yeah, well, I got a second. I'll show you my. I mean, there's my package.env. Most of these can be wiped off now. That one can go. That one can go because it's fixed. That one can go. Clang and LMV VM have issues, so they're recommended to keep off. To be honest, that can go because that's fixed. That's fixed. It does work, but it does pull up some. It can cause some issues. No, sorry, I know what the issue is. When GCC compiles it, it puts up an ICE, an internal compiler error. And there's actually a bug in GCC. But you see, most of it's... Well, actually, most of it's just testing, to be honest. That can go, that can go. That can go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I say that's a little bit too far for me. Oh, I'm not even in the bloody thing after all that. Right. Insert template root command. Let's just do this one at a time. Yep. And mold for a linker as well, which is pretty fast. Make slave, yeah. 6. Hi Tommy, you alright? Today I'm writing up my notes for how to install Gentoo on a 2.6 kernel. And yeah, you should you should be fine with all your LTO stuff. I think you need the linker file as well, don't you? Which I've got on top of my head. Something ftlo equals fin. Yeah, that's it. No point using O3. I used to do that at work as well. I think you need to do that equals fin, otherwise it doesn't work. I think the FTLO one's is a GCC thing, but I'm not as good with Clang as I am GCC, so take that with a pinch of salt. Nice, nice, Tommy. Can you keep that 26 to the end of the day, though? You quit your job? What? Where are you gonna go and work after this? Yeah, online's a bit weird. It's better playing in person. Alright, insert that. Ooh. Too many anonymous, maximum is 11. Hey, what do you put 11 in? Isn't provided. Very much. I'm going to just check what that was about the thing. As I say, I'm not really 100% sure about Clang because it's not my thing, but I've always been told to use it with Finn from people that know more than me. But like I say, I'm not an expert on that one. And you used to play professionally, as in that was your only full-time job, Tommy? Nice, well done. If I wasn't such a gambling bum, then I would have probably been alright. But I just love playing cards. Right, Right, /run isn't provided by all. I'll have to have a look into it before I could say. Might be worth asking in Gentoo though. If it's not there. Okay. Let's insert another root commands. Let's copy it over. Okay. Let's catch up with this guide. No, not that. Yeah, online people are more willing to go all in, aren't they, and stuff like that. Do you ever play that freeway heads up table game we used to have? We used to like put in say $5 and then it went to a random thing, like you either won $10, like $30, or like all the way up to like 100. Spin and go, that's it. That used to be brilliant, that game. You can make a lot of money though if you're a brave gambler. Like if you're brave to go all in. I usually end up playing with stupid cards when I play cash game on there. Again, no, I usually end up playing stupid games when I'm playing in real life. That's why I usually play tournament. Mount copy slash section. Okay. It's more fun than working as well. Although to be fair, I'm still on the clock for another hour and a half and I'm streaming instead. Don't tell me, boss. The GCC flag is hyphen FLTO and then the number of calls you got. Although you can just put in FLTO and it'll do whatever calls you got automatically. Well, I hope you win, Tommy. If you win a lot, though, I wouldn't mind a nice new Spark computer. Just saying. Okay. Setup stage. What's that? 2. Let's head in subheading 1. One of these days I'll learn on a spiral repository. Oh no, I need to this, don't I? Okay, so let's emerge. No, before we do that, let's edit make config. Okay. Much. Much of a native. I don't really think there's much I really want to be adding to this. Yep, that should be good catch. Thank you very much. Okay. Right. Deselect. Great. Oh yeah. Root command. Oh, I know what I wanted to set. Needed to drop the number of calls down, didn't I? That building, by the way. when it's done. Well, if you ever get into need a new job, you can always go and be a marketing person for gambling. No, hyphen that. Okay. Let's think what we need to write here. Alright. Create a local repo. Match. I believe so. I've just not tried it. I'm not that brave yet to be trying that. I don't want to use this. I want to use... Perfect. Okay. Now I think the command for this is deselect repository create local. Hey. Hi there, Norkin. How you doing? Is that it? How you pronounce your name? Terrible pronunciations. Hey. Oh. That's pretty good for me. But yeah, everything's going alright here. Just writing some lovely documentation for installing Gentoo on an old kernel. How are you doing? Right, if you weren't talking to yourself, Tommy, while you were doing it, I usually sing to the song or something. Oh no, don't want that. There we go. Right, add a new line here, so that'll be make the it's not actually that hard, no kid. We've got a package called the kernel Gentoo kernel bin, which basically sets the kernel up all for you. You don't need to know all your hardware stuff. And that's quite funny, Tommy. No, I want to be var db repos local. Is that? I'm in the wrong one. That could have been scary. That's why you always don't follow what I do and set up a PS1. It's pretty much the recommended way to do it. If you go on to #Gentoo and IRC for help, they're pretty much tell you to use that. But what a lot of people do is start with the bin and then move over to the compiling their own kernel as they get a bit more confident. Nowadays I'm getting a bit more lazy, so don't bother. You can use gen kernel as well. It's not as good, I don't think. But it is handy when you need to set up an init RAM FS. I recommend it. Once you get the bug though, that's it, you never leave. You know where the IRC server is, don't you, if you need help? I'll put you a link in the window for you quick, hang on. Oh, will it not? I never knew that. There you go. If you need support, that's where to go. Repos local. What is that? Oh, it's the bloody wrong one again. Go away. Oh, my mouse is busted. Come on, go over. There we go. Alright, let's go to the right place. var db repos local. There we go. This kernel. Linux headers. Discord's quite weird for Gentoo. I do recommend IRC a lot, but whatever works best for you. There's also the forums, don't forget, as well. More than happy to help you there. Right. Copy. Exarton, he's pretty good actually. I think he pretty much does the whole support for the entire channel. Oh, he's got a private Discord as well, has he? That's pretty good. Well, thank him for all the good support he does and work. Yeah, local. I don't really use Discord too much, but thank you anyway. There we go. Right, so that's all copied over. Happy days. Add that in there. Do you know how many times I've read that news? Oh. You'll have to tell the police. Swatted for not reading their news. What I'll do is let's get him to CD into that location. Oh, for God's sake. Something about the Python update. Pulse audio to pipe wire. And that's about it. That's what I can remember. I've learnt my lesson though. Always make sure you read your news before you ask for help on anything. Alright. Right. Next edit. Next copy. Okay, root command. Don't want that window, I want this one. Oh my good god, come on. Two 2.639 e-build. Oh my good god. And then I want to do... Have I done that? Not yet. Alright, e-build. Okay. Is this gonna work? I feel like I'm gonna need to use it. Vapier. There we go. Hmm. What was that page that I used to use for this? Where was that? Ooh. Okay, let's do... There we go. I was so close. Alright. 2639. There. hang on. It's, yeah, headers base.